Welcome back to this channel, Chris the Crack, and for today's episode we want to eat some sugar and carbohydrates, so that's why we decided to make a halaya. So for sure it's made of ube and some ingredients. So let's dive into the ingredients. So basically the first ingredients is condensed milk, Angel condensada, any brand you prefer, and then some flavoring. We have the ube or the purple yam. Afterwards we have some butter from Lurpak. What we have here is the salted one, and then 1 kilo of the ube. This is our root crop. And then finally the last one is another kind of milk, evaporated milk, Rainbow or any brand you prefer. So let's begin. Just simply put our yam in the pot with water. We're going to boil it.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's do the taste test.
It is mildly sweet and it is smooth. It is delicious.
It is yummy and it is creamy. You can make a lot more recipes with ube. Like you can make ube ice cream.
You want to eat more?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. Yummy?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for the taste test.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.